Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports, back with my favorite topic. Everybody knows my favorite topic of all time, turbochargers. Okay, and today I want to talk specifically about the P48 Turbo. These are in full production and are here and ready to go. And the thing that I wanted to, or the things that I want to discuss is, we really see, after spending a lot of time with it and tuning different cars with it, this is going to take the place of the P47. We will still offer the P47 for customers that want to do like a stealth turbo, but there really is no compelling reason to keep the 47 in our lineup given the performance characteristics of the 48. So with that said, we also, as part of our 26 software that we discussed in another video, we've taken the time to do the P48 or to tune the P48 on all the 24 through 26 two-seat models and the four-seat, the Max and the RC models as well. Okay, and that includes, our 91, 110, E85 tunes, both with and without launch control. We also did flex fuel. Okay, so flex fuel is ready to go for the P48 as well. So we are really excited to get these out there, get them in your hands. I know with our beta testers, everybody's been over the top happy with the power, the response, the spool time. So we want you to get out there and win more races. So stay tuned.